Every second, 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube. This means that more video creators will require the services of a video editor. Now I'm working with a few video editors. I might need some more shortly. If you're stuck in your life, why not join me in a StoryVideo challenge to learn how to make a short video? Simply click the link below, answer the easy Ikigai questions, and collaborate with me to produce a story video. I'll help you through developing your story video for my video challenge. I'm thinking about holding the next video challenge in 3 months and giving away $3,500 worth of video marketing to help you reach a huge number of people, including my 32K group. What do you think? Please click the link below, and I will notify you when the next video challenge is scheduled.